Hey, so everybody, this is Erica from the Classy Climb blog, going over some of the things I like about M1 Finance when you're adding slices to your pie. There's something I really like is when you click on stocks, you can click on funds as well, right? So you click on funds, and as you can see, it starts with largest to smallest, of course. I like this ascending method. It gives you a lot of good things to look over. And you can learn so much if you click on any of these. But we're going to go back over to stocks. Weird stocks. Okay, so your market cap here, of course, Microsoft's on top, then Apple, then Amazon, Google, Facebook, Alibaba, Visa, Walmart, the top. But as you kind of scan down, I really love how you can just kind of see where companies stand, right? And it gives me amazing views of large market cap companies. Now, they may not always be your choice. And a lot of times, if you see my videos, a lot of the companies I'm always looking at are smaller, way smaller. I like working with REITs from Texas. I like working from energy companies from Texas. I like looking at timber and land from Texas. But I just want to show this on the app so that you guys could get some ideas there. So, again, whenever you want to search, you literally type up here, I'm just going to randomly MMP or something, right? Yeah, they're here. So, Magellan Midstream Partners, right? So, click on it. Now, look, it's $60 a share, $60.13 a share. It's in the up. It's an energy, oil, gas, midstream, right? So, it's $13.7 billion market cap. All right, P ratio. You get a $3.99, which makes it a 6% dividend. All right, there's no recent news. Price history. So the past year, it's been down 9%. 3 years, it's been down 3%. 5 year, 2%. So not too terrible. It's been anywhere from $54 to $72. So now let's look over the profile. All right, so operates pipelines and storage terminals in central and eastern North Carolina. Sorry, I'm saying North Carolina. Eastern United States. Its assets are transport, store, and distribute refined petroleum products. So you get a good idea what they do. Looks like refined products make 60% of its operating margin. So you can visit the website. You can see the number of employees, the CEO. Again, I just like this setup. It's very simple, very simplistic. Maybe that's one you guys put on your own watch list. Again, boom. Simple. Guys, this is Erica from the Classy Climb blog. Just sharing more of our investing platforms we use here at the channel.